Okay, so today we're going to be taking the headlight out, and the reason why we are is because I found out that the back where it connects to is actually disconnected, and I was wondering, why is that? Well, right here and here are the adjustments for your headlight. Make it go in, out, wherever you want. Well, one of them's broke, so it must have popped it out to where it disconnected the bolt. So this is what we're putting in: 1/4-inch screws. It's a weld nut right there. And I decided might as well put both of them in. Why not? I cleaned them up so they turn nice and free. Will be no problem. Well, here we go. Nope. That there. Now, move the pins out of the way. Get out. That's not supposed to do that. That's what happened. That's why it was disconnected. Get you a better view. See that? Can't believe this doesn't fall out. Well, there's a spring on this side, and that's what keeps it so when you're adjusting it on this side, the spring's gonna put more pressure on in or out, so it's always going to keep the bulb centered. So the spring was holding the bulb in there while the plug was just dangling in the wind, basically. That there like that. There we go. Okay, if you're doing it like I'm doing it, you're definitely going to need an extension. Now, make sure you keep those bolts in a good place. That's why we got this tray here from Harbor Freight. Real handy to do that. I got a review on that tray if you want to take a look at it, and I'll tell you all about it. All right, last one. Okay. Now, it doesn't matter which one you put in. They're not directional. Now, before I put in the last one, I do want to show you. You see this cut right there? It looks like a washer in the head. Well, that right there is where it sits in for the headlight to hold on. So make sure it's always in the center. If you put it over here, it's not going to work. You're going to break stuff. So make sure it's right there. Alright, last one. Okay, there you go. Now don't crank these down too tight now. This is only plastic or fiberglass. Okay, now you put the plug in. Nope. Now you put that tab in place. That and that. And there you go.